How to fix emojis missing from Android keyboard. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure that you have your Gboard toggled on. So for that, you can simply launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down to tap on additional settings. Now tap on the option of languages and input and tap on current keyboard. So here it's Gboard right now, so make sure that you have the latest version of Gboard. So for that, you just can go to the Play Store application and search for Gboard just to make sure you have an updated version of the Gboard application. So it says we have an update available, so you can simply tap on update and wait until it gets updated. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now after the app gets updated, you can simply launch the keyboard and it might fix your issue as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.